I got a new, some type of a creature or animal. Right there is its head. That's its eye. Right there, that's its mouth. And then this whole stretch behind it is one creature. From there, you can see the hump of the head, and then it's its back, and then there's a tail, and then there's some more of the tail, and then there's even some more down here. Wow. Or that's one right there, and that's one of its babies, and that's one of its babies. Not exactly certain yet. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on this, but there could be water, some type of aquatic animal. That's what it seems like to me. Wow. Thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Wehner's New Giants of Old.